Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the Vivo T1 Pro 5G. So we have to open the more modes and then select Pro mode. And right now, first of all, I will recommend you to click on this information icon. This information icon gives you some kind of the base information about a very parameter, like for example description of shutter speed. Next, I'm going to show you how we can adjust these parameters. Let's start from the left side. So here we can find the exposure compensation. That's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. Next, we can find ISO level. As you can see, we can set it automatically, but the exposure compensation, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic button. When you move to the shutter speed, we can set it even for the 32 seconds. That's a lot actually. And also we can do this automatically. Next, we can find the white balance with the few presets. And by going to the last one, we can find this manual slider. In this place, we can find focus range. So we can basically manually set the focus range. Right here, we can change lenses between ultra wide and the wide lens. Here we can change photo format. As you can see, we can find two formats. And on the left upper corner, we can also turn on the flashlight. So that's all for the camera Pro mode on the Vivo T1 Pro 5G. Hope you like it.